part 2. Oh no! There's trains coming, and there's supposed to be one coming now, and then there's birds on the track. And even in the fact it is currently 4:30, the train has not yet arrived at the station. No, it's supposed to be the 16:30 Arriva train's rail service to somewhere. And there it is. See it in the distance? See that thing in the distance? That is the train that is coming to that platform. Unless getting a double train. If it said it's normally supposed to be a free carriage, that is supposed to be passing on that train on the station.
Platform 1 of the 16:30.
175, 110. Trains are actually leave the station. And here is the Arriva train. Here's your Arriva train, it's ready to leave. That goes to somewhere. But we have 175, 110 to Manchester, whatever it is. And that's it.